In today's video, we are going to be going over Zomedica and why I think they can triple in the next year. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video today, I actually have a special announcement to make. Over the past few months, we have been getting so many DMs from people asking us if we have a course or whether we would ever make a course. And I am here to answer all of those questions today. I am so excited to announce the launch of Finance Bro Academy. In this academy, we have made courses on how to trade, how to build a dividend portfolio, and how to do long-term investing the right way. And for the first week only, we will be offering a 20% discount to the first 100 buyers of each course. This offer is only going to be available until next Thursday at 11:59 p.m. So make sure if you want a course, go ahead and get it because the prices will go back to normal on Friday. In order to get the 20% discount, make sure you use code BRO, B-R-O, at checkout to get your 20% discount. But with that out of the way, let's get into ticker symbol ZOM or Zomedica. So Zomedica is a veterinary and health company that offers products for dogs and cats by focusing on unmet needs of clinical veterinarians. As of right now, they only have one product, which is Truforma, and it just hit the market yesterday. Truforma is a biosensor platform designed to assist practitioners in the diagnosis of complex conditions. So basically, they're trying to keep our pets alive with this product. They have a market cap of about 1.8 billion and an average trading volume of about 95 million. Today, however, they are up to 118 million trades on the news of their first commercial sale of Truforma. Now, I made a video on Zomedica about 3 weeks ago on their upcoming earnings call, as well as the sale of Truforma that was supposed to be starting on March 30th. Well, it's obviously not March 30th, and Zomedica just had their first official sale of Truforma. The first official purchaser of Truforma was actually Dr. Jason Berg, the founder and president of Guardian Veterinary Specialties. Dr. Berg commented that he will be able to go above and beyond the current standard of care to provide cutting-edge tests to pet owners and veterinarians in 7 surrounding counties across 2 states with Truforma. Now, this is awesome news for the stock long term, but the stock did sell off from people selling the news, but let's get into why I think that Zomedica could triple over the next year. Well, first of all the paper hands are now out of the stock, and it is only people left that actually believe in Zomedica. Second, before this sale, Zomedica had never had any revenue. So over the years, Zomedica will be increasing their revenue as the amount of sales of Truforma increases as well. Third, Zomedica actually has a very good balance sheet that is setting them up for success now that they have revenue coming in. In terms of assets, they have about $62 million of cash on hand compared to $2 million of current liabilities. If you didn't know, current liabilities and current assets are liabilities and assets that can be liquidated or have to be paid within the year. So Zomedica actually has 30 times the amount of cash necessary to cover all of their current liabilities. And not only that, but they only have $1.8 million in debt with no revenue. That is pretty awesome. With revenue coming in for the first time and the recent sell-off that we just saw, I think it's entirely possible that we see Zomedica triple or at least double within the next year. Now, before I give my overall thoughts on Zomedica, let's head over to the computer to do some technical analysis. Alright, so we're at my computer and we can get into the technical analysis. So basically we see here Zomedica had a strong start to the day. Actually, let me head out to the 5-minute chart. It had a very strong, middle of the day. Obviously, the Fed talked today and every stock basically exploded for like 10 minutes. And then we had a good day after that. It was priced in that the Fed was going to say some bad stuff about interest rates and stuff of that nature. But the Fed and Jerome Powell actually, everything they said was good and went well. So every stock pretty much went up at about this time. And they had a lot of volume for the rest of the day after this. They had about 118 million trades, a lot of it mostly in the second half of the day. But here, what do we see? So we got 3 green candlesticks, and it is trading way above the 50-day SMA line for a swing, because I use the 5-minute time interval for a swing. So this is not where I'm looking to get in. I am looking to build my position on Zomedica though. I'm looking to build my position on Zomedica, but this is not a time I'm looking to get in. we are going to see normal, probably less volume in the coming months, just because now we can actually see people were riding up hype to the first sale of Trueforma, and then obviously we see that it sold off pretty heavily after the first sale of Trueforma. So it's sold off. I think we found a bottom here. I think we have found support at about $2.10. I think that's the new support. Although today it did really well, obviously, because the whole market is doing well at the end of the day. But as for a day trade, if it stays below $2.25, I could think about this for a day trade because it will be under the 50-day SMA line, and hopefully the MACD will, I'll have to wait for the MACD to start crossing back over, because I'm assuming Zomedica will open up in the red tomorrow, or well, tomorrow you won't know because I'll be posting this at like 10 a.m. But I'm assuming it's going to open up in the red. And as for a swing, I'm waiting for Zomedica to come back down to, I don't know, I think it has supported $2.10. So I'm looking for it to come back down to $2.20 personally. If it doesn't come back down to there, I'll have to keep waiting for a trade, because obviously I'm not going to abandon my technicals, because right now it's a bit overbought after the great day we've seen to end the day. But that's going to be it for my technical analysis. I want to start building out my position, but I'm waiting for the right conditions. I'm looking for about $2.20. That's what I'm looking for. Somewhere around there. But that's going to be it for my technical analysis, and I'll see you back in our regular scheduled programming. As for my overall thoughts on Zomedica, the deeper I dive in their balance sheet, income statements, the more I like the company, especially how well they have managed their current liabilities versus their current assets. And now that they have revenue coming in, this is going to be huge for the stock, and I really do think that it has potential to triple over the next year, and I'm going to start building out my position. And I want to remind you guys that I'm not a financial advisor and that this is not financial advice. If you do want financial advice, go ahead and seek it out from a professional financial advisor and not from me. But if you are interested in buying this stock and you have not made an account with WeBull yet, what are you doing? You got to get in the pre-market and after hours with us. All you got to do is deposit $100, make an account, and you can get 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. And if you want to learn how to build a dividend portfolio, how to start trading, or how to long-term invest the right way, then go ahead and click the first link in the description and get signed up with our course. And now for comment of the day, y'all comment and I'll pick one of your comments for comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is coming from Erica, and she said, "Great update analysis as always. Hope you can cover Grill soon." Thanks for the comment, Erica. I'll do some research and analysis on Grill and I'll get back to you on that. But that's going to be it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm and it shows we're doing something right here. But my name is Zach, and I'll see you in the next video.